Hello, my name is Paige McCormick. I had a few questions that I needed to answer from our Think Tank session. Let's start with Carol. She asks, why can't we just use the same images for all the different locations? All of the images of the medical staff look American enough. My answer to this is because each location is going to have a different demographic makeup. I did a little research, and according to the World Population Review, New York is 42% white, 24% African American, and 15% other, where Miami is 75% white, 17% African American, and 3% other. Phoenix is 72% white, 6% African American, and 10% other. And Denver is 76% white, 9% African American, and 5% other. We want to make sure that the images are showing cultural familiarity. Daniel, let's use images of families in all of the images that scroll through the main website page. That will catch everyone's eye, as everyone has a family somewhere. Now, even though everyone has a mother and father at birth, not everyone has the perfect family dynamic. All families are different. There are single parents, same-sex couples, families with many children, and others with none. We need to make sure the images we choose portray families of all kinds, showing our patients that we care for anyone no matter where they came from. Caleb's question was, the pictures we use should all be outdoors and of people having fun. Isn't that what all patients want to see when they visit the medical facility's website? Yes, I agree with this. We should use images of our facilities and the surroundings environments, like Phoenix with the desert, cactus, and Miami with lots of palm trees. But we should also use images that provide an emotional appeal to the patients. Using images of patients with therapy animals or celebrity visitors can do this by giving the viewer a welcoming feeling. Heather states, maybe we should think like the potential patients that might visit this website. What would those patients want to see regarding this facility? These patients are going to want to see the different services provided by these facilities. We should choose images that show patients our therapy services, cafeteria, and the rooms they would be staying in, as this gives the patient a real idea of what to expect when they come to our facilities. Samuel asks, how can we use images to get people to feel like they will get better or experience a miracle or receive better treatment here than at some other facility? We should use images that show patients receiving physical therapy and images that support the healing of the body, mind, and spirit, like photos of group therapy and chapel services. These images will create an emotional appeal as viewers will see that these facilities are focused on healing the whole person and not just one part. With all of these images, we are giving the patients cultural familiarity, perspective framing, and emotional appeal by helping them see themselves using these facilities and feeling welcomed by these images.